Ever felt your product listings lacked a certain spark? Paymattic's tabular product item is here to change that. Want to showcase your products in a clear, organized table with photos, names, prices, and quantities? This handy feature makes it a breeze. Let's dive in and see how to transform your website presentation with this. Step 1. Craft your form. Let's start with the form. Once you've got the basics, take the tabular product item field. Step 2. Set the stage. Start by selecting the template that looks the best with your product layout. Paymattic offers options like table template, grid template, and single line template. Consider the number of products you have and how you want them to be visually presented. Let's take the grid. Consider enabling features like filters and categories to help users find what they're looking for easily. Then, enable custom options to take the product options a bit further. Step 3. Design your product list. This is where the real fun begins. Using these options, you can craft your product table. Here, you can provide all the essential details potential customers need to make informed purchasing decisions, like a vibrant and clear image of the product, name, and description of the product. Play with the quantity as you seem fit. Don't forget to set the category if you have enabled it. And most importantly, make sure to set the price. Need more products? No problem. Just hit this and follow the same steps to add more products. Step 4. Show what they owe. Enable the Show Subtotal option if you want users to see their running total for their selected products. With these simple steps, you can create beautiful and informative product tables using Paymattic's tabular product item. So, go forth, unleash your creativity, and elevate your website presentation.